Hey guys, welcome to another Gmod Tornado Extra Chaos, and today we'll be fighting combines. We're gonna be, like you just heard, and we're gonna be surviving tornadoes in a house. And yeah, and we'll be fighting those guys. Also, there's a bomb up there. So let's probably get started with this already. I'm gonna use the X twist. Okay. Just to let you guys know, I'm actually recording this on my phone, so it's gonna sound a little, you know. There we go. There it is. Oh boy. Okay, it's gone. Take this. Okay. I don't know. Oh no! Oh, I thought it took it. Just take this car. Let me damage this. Probably get it. Should probably go in a house. Oh no! Oh, okay. That bomb is gonna. It ain't exploding. Hello. Okay, this is laggy. Someone. Oh yeah, I forgot. Put a camera in there. Still fine? Yeah. That was crazy. Oh yeah, there's the stuff. There it is. Okay. Odessa and yeah, there she is. Where's the other dude? Oh, our house is demolished. What? Yeah, I put some people in here, so yeah. Anyways, let's go. Oh wait, I'm not on. Yeah. Okay. Actually, wait, let me do something real quick. Okay, just two. Ah, damn it. Died. So our goal is to like stop killing the bomb. Before the tornado gets it. That's it. That's the game rule. Reinforcements. Oh, stupid door. Go up. Go up. I don't know how this is gonna end up. I think that one of those tornadoes hit. Okay, I think an EF5 might have been better. Go up, go up. Okay. Like a tornado on us? Heal. Okay, I'm gonna die. I need to... I can't do this. Should I actually do this or... I don't know. I don't want to cheat. Here we go. Okay. I spawned one right there, so... Oh. Oh god, this is like... Have a grenade! Yeah, I got him. I got him. Oh! This is very suspenseful. Worst weapon to use, maybe. Oh man! Damn! Oh. Okay, let's just respawn up there. Where am I? Okay, we gotta hurry this up. It's getting... Yeah. Just spawned in and now I have lost it. I already lost it. Oh, jeez! Okay, I'm gonna have to annihilate all of them. Oh! Oh, this is so laggy. This tornado is getting, yeah, it's getting closer. Oh, that is not good. So our next thing to do is just leap up here. Where are you? Oh, this is gonna be crazy. Oh, there's another one up here. Don't even think about throwing a grenade up here. Okay, that's a relief. Spawn it. Okay. Okay, now that. I saw someone. Okay. I gotta think. Oh. No! No! No, 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 no! No! Oh. Okay, we're safe. Wait, there's another one? Oh, yeah! Mission failed! I tried lowering it down. Oh, that was crazy. Whew. This would have been a better video if I just did that first, maybe. Okay. Guys, thank you for watching this videos. We'll probably make another one of this soon, so yeah. Anyways, yeah. Goodbye.